driveway's always been on a little bit of an angle, so that's always been an issue. So usually when I start getting to right about here and the tractor starts going up is where I start to slip and slide a little bit. So let's see how we do going up. And right about here is usually where I completely spin and snow. And we're going up no problem. Steers like a dream. Okay, so let's go back down the driveway. And we'll just drive down, but we'll stop a couple times and we'll just show how we got really good control. And this spot right here, and you can tell from the angle, I'll stop, put the brakes on, and I would not be able to do that before. The tractor would definitely want to keep on sliding. So that is great control, really great control. Here. Now this was always another really bad spot because I would start sliding sideways, and you can tell that's not the case. And I'm gonna put the float back on and start. Lined up a little bit better. And then here we go. control in tight spaces. Backwards up, see how that does. Steering all the way up. And then back down. This is great, so if you're getting really close to an edge of the driveway, you really do have really good control, especially when you have that float mode, the bucket and float mode. And again, you can go nice and slow. I don't have to worry about sliding. I can even basically just stop right here and total control. Close to my vehicles, and I feel confident enough like I'm not going to slide into it. So pick that amount of snow up, then I can go backwards. Go back down over here and put that bucket down again. There we go. Nice good control. Dump it back here. And with the brake on, I have really good control. Alright, and there's a log that it's been kind of like in my way here. So I think I'm just gonna kind of grab that by the edge. Push that out of the way. Okay, so if you get yourself into kind of a ditch like I've purposely done, and even during the summer sometimes this becomes a little bit of a trick, the snow chains, it's an easy get out of the way. Control on this is absolutely crazy. And yeah, if you're in some tight areas, you got the confidence you're not going to slide, you're not going to lose control. But yeah, there you go. So a super cool unforeseen benefit of snow chains on your tractor tires is that when we go up the driveway, stone driveway, it kind of digs up the stones so you have traction even though you're not getting like super low onto it, but it brings up enough stones that you have traction, and then the power of the sun will definitely help burn that snow off. But anyway, very cool. There you go. Anyway, Brian from Garageville Hall, thanks for watching, and outstanding snow chains.